You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Bright and early.
Yeah, it's not so early anymore. It's like 10 o'clock now, but we've been up since 6 because we've come to Erawan Falls.
Yeah.
We're
Excited.
staying in Kanchanaburi. We've been here about a week. Just chilling, really. It's quite a cool place to chill. Not a lot going on there apart from the river.
Swim in the river, read a book,
I wouldn't swim in that river.
get on the train, see the death railway.
So anyway, we've got the local bus to Erawan because it's 50 baht and you can't beat that. And also because you can have as long as you want them. You don't have to worry about being rushed on a tour. And it was pretty straightforward, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got the 8170, the blue bus, and you can get at the bus station or it stops opposite the night market just outside 7-Eleven. Just flag it down, it's the blue bus.
Yeah.
Every 50 minutes, people 50 baht.
Straightforward. It took an hour and a half, but it didn't feel too bad. It's not the most comfortable bus in the world, but
No.
it wasn't awful. So let's go and see this epic waterfall.
Yeah.
You turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
We made it to the third. We're here already.
I'm sweating.
My God,
Hot.
it's like the rainforest in here. It's so hot. Whew. But yeah, we're going up the top first and then we'll come back down and swim, but they've been pretty epic so far.
Ah,
What are you thinking?
I like it. It's really nice.
Pretty amazing. I can't wait to get in the water and cool down. Oh, but
Have a look at the size of these fish, and like they like to give you a foot splash.
we're going in there, fish or not.
They're like this size.
They are pretty big.
Level 4 up next, waterfall number 4. Just to mention, after level 3, you're not allowed to take any food or drink with you, just the water you leave a deposit for. So if you want to have a picnic, make sure it's at level 3. 2.
2, yeah, 2. Now look at these stairs we've got to get up. Oh my
Level
God,
4.
so steep. Did I ever mention I hate stairs?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
My God, can't describe how hot it is in here. It's insanely hot.
Yeah. Soak into the
Absolutely
brim.
ringing. You can see his nipple.
So are we at number 6 yet?
No, we're on our way to number 6. It's actually not that difficult of walk. It's just so humid. I'm hoping number 6 and 7 are going to be worth it.
We've seen some monitor lizards, they were cool.
We have been bitten by a load of mosquitoes.
we're recording.
We made it.
Made it to the top.
We got in and it was refreshing.
I got eaten alive by some fish.
I don't even know what kind of fish they are, but they're pretty hungry. The toes.
And then
That was really good.
And then I fell climbing up the waterfall. I hurt my knee.
Is it good? He'll be okay as long as we make it down. So yeah, that was awesome. It was definitely worth coming to the top. I was getting a little bit worried when we got to the 5th, and I was like, there's no path left. But I'm glad we made it.
Worth it. Come up, see it.
We're gonna make our way back down and get in as many of them as we can.